Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming WordPress 5, X or later, and an admin user. This ensures plugin and theme installs work. Once done, go to Appearance, right arrow Themes, right arrow Add New, and search Oceanwp. That step fetches official files. Click Install, then Activate to load the theme. Make sure to keep your current site backup active before continuing. This first action wireframes the theme into WordPress, so the customizer and required extensions become available immediately. Once the theme is active, install Ocean Extra. It unlocks the customizer panels and meta settings. Next, install Ocean Demo Import to get pre-built templates. This saves hours. If you use a page builder, add Elementor now. Oceanwp is optimized for it. Then import a demo that matches your layout goal, or import only core sections to customize later. Make sure to review plugin notices and enable recommended extensions so header, footer, and blog modules behave as intended. To finish, open Appearance, right arrow Customize, and adjust header, layout, typography, and colors. You'll see changes live. Set your home page and assign menus under Menus, then preview on mobile and tablet. Oceanwp is responsive, but tweaks may be needed. If layouts or widgets look wrong, clear caching and CDN, disable recently added plugins to find conflicts, and resave permalinks. Finally, export your customizer settings or child theme so updates won't overwrite custom work. That preserves your final site state.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.